Our understanding of success, which build with labor, talent, and knowledge, should consider as a whole. Ankasan is a reliable business partner who is offering innovative products for global scale in the foundry industry. With our experience of more than half century, we are giving the importance to R&D and making necessary investments. Our flexible production lines allow us to produce from small to large products. Ankasan also analyzes and improves all its processes from purchasing to quality, from planning to logistics in a secure and integrated ERP tool. We use suits technologies for international standards and customer requirements to produce qualified products. We believe that our innovative spirit, diligence, practical and result-oriented approaches ensuring the continuity of our success. We also respect the environment and society in all our activities. We export more than 95% of our production across oil and gas, energy, fluid technologies, marine, agriculture and rail systems industries.